Hello, this is our third MacGregor cat fence installation video, which shows how to join caps, arms, posts, and sleeves with self-tapping screws. This process can be tricky. Applying self-tapping screws to a curved pipe surface has been compared to tightrope walking in high-heeled shoes. I assure you it's not that bad. In fact, with the right gear and right approach, it's really easy, so let me show you how. Start by putting an end cap on the right end of an extender arm, the end with a slight bend. Now take the first of 3 steps needed to attach the end cap to the extender arm with a self-tapping screw. Specifically, take a nail set with a small end and a hammer and create a dimple in the cap at the point where you want the screw to go. That dimple won't keep the screw in place, but it will keep a countersink bit in place. So take an electric drill with a countersink bit hard enough to drill metal and use the dimple to drill a small inverted cone. This cone will give the screw a secure resting place. So now take your electric drill equipped with a Phillips head bit and apply the self-tapping screw. It will take a few seconds, but with a little patience the screw goes in easily. There's really nothing to it. Next, join the extender arm and cap to the narrow end of a metal post. Note that the post goes into the end of the extender arm that consists of a long, straight section of pipe followed by a right-angled bend. Now repeat the 3 steps needed to attach a screw that will join the post and arm. Start by creating a dimple. Then create the cone-shaped depression with your countersink bit. Then apply the screw. Now all parts of the post assembly have been joined except for the sleeve that is in the ground. So now insert the assembled post, arm, and cap into the sleeve, making sure that the arm is pointing in the right direction. Note the correct position for the arm at line posts where it should be pointing in at a 90-degree angle to the fence, and at corner posts, see the left-hand drawing, and on curves, see the right-hand drawing. Once the arm is positioned right, freeze this position by applying a self-tapping screw at the top of the drive sleeve after preparing the way with a nail set and a countersink bit. This brings us to the end of our video on standard post assemblies. The next video, video 4, shows how to install snow protection posts. If you have no snow protection posts, skip this next video and go on to video 5, which shows how to install a gate.